How to add new address to Temu. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add new address to Temu. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to launch the Temu application on your device. You will land on the home page of Temu where you need to make sure to sign in and log into the particular account. Tap You button at the bottom center of the screen. On this section, select Addresses. Now, tap Add a New Address button. And after that, you will land on this Add a New Address page where you have to enter all your credentials like your country or region, first name, last name, address search, and the phone number. Once you have entered all the credentials, simply you have to tap on the Save button. And after a while, your new address will be added to Temu. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.